designs. Hey, let's paint some monsters today. Boo!
We're
Wow.
working on the Tahoe cover. I got it finished yesterday, but then I woke up this morning and said, I'm gonna change some things. And the customer is thrilled to death with that. We're gonna add in some red. So it'll be black and white and some red areas. We're gonna change up the face a little bit. We're gonna add some blood and be ready to go. So thanks for coming on board, people. We are going to do this step by step. It'll be a shorter video. And also, hey, look, check out the stuff in the description below. All my social media sites and Stuartizm.shop where you can buy stuff with my artwork on it on all sorts of products. So thanks for coming on board. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you at Atrox in Leeds, Alabama this weekend.